So students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JBC 6th semester. We will discuss the topic development of cheek. Cleavage is start with the cleavage. It is meroblastic, means confined to a small area of blastocyst. Duration it takes 12 to 16 hours. First cleavage forms 2 cells. Second cleavage occurs after 20 minutes. The first cleavage 4 cells formed, and third cleavage 8 cells formed. Irregular cleavage occurs in 4 hours. At the end cleavage 256 irregular cells formed. Blastulation. After cleavage, blastulation occurs due to blastulation following structure formed: subgerminal cavity, second area placenta, third area opaca. Process of gastrulation: conversion of monoblastic eggs into triploblastic gastrula. Gastrulation involves the formation of ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Primitive streak: it is grow on the surface along the anterior posterior axis. Primitive stick formation: a primitive stick is formed from the posterior margin region cells. The stick first becomes visible as the epiblast thickens at the posterior pole. Primitive stick formation 7 to 8 hours after fertilization. Primitive streak extension 15 to 16 hours after fertilization. (18 hours chick embryo). Longitudinally oriented primitive stick is more obvious. Primitive folds is observable. Formation of Hansen nodes 19 to 22 hours after fertilization. Hansen node, it is formed by cells of presumptive notochord and the floor of neural tube and is located posteriorly. Formation of notochord, notogenesis. A neural strip of blastoderm just in front of primitive node consists of primitive notochordal cells responsible for the formation of notochord. Notochord is visible carnial to the Hansen's node and in between the neural fold. Notochord is rod-like supporting structures. Somites are present. They are the block of the mesoderm. They give rise to the number of structures including skeletal muscles, bone, and dermis of skins. 23 hours chick embryo. Neural fold fuse dorsally and form neural tube. Formation of neural tube. Neurogenesis. In front of the primitive stick lies neural plate cells. These cells fold, roll up, and unite mid-dorsally, enclosing the neural tube, forming forebrain, hindbrain, and midbrain. 33 hours chick embryo. Heart formed on the posterior of brain vesicles, and 2 vitelline veins are entering in the heart from blood islands. That is supplying blood to heart. Chick embryo after 40 to 45 hours. 48 hours chick embryo being from lateral side tarsal nodes occurs. Organogeny, formation of organs called organogeny. Extra-embryonic membrane or fertile membrane, yolk sac. The chief embryonic food is yolk, which is surrounded by a sac-like investing membrane called yolk sac. Yolk sac is made up of splenomegaly. Amnion, chorion, and allantois. 72 hours chick embryo. (96 hours chick embryo). Wingwards appears anteriorly while legwards appears posteriorly. Cerebellar hemisphere formed, heart form, and heart chambers. Example as atrium and ventricles. Thank you.